Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, before we start with the painting and everything per usual, I'm gonna be unboxing this Lenovo tablet which I got from school. So let's get down into it. So starting with the unboxing, everything is great, right? Everything is great. This tablet works great, but one thing that it doesn't have is headphones, because obviously they are given to us at school. So it doesn't have any headphones, and it has a charger. I don't know anything about technology or tablets, but one thing that I know is that this tablet has 16 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM, and it handles everything great. It has a 1080p display and everything is great on it, I won't lie. And I use it for referring on my pictures, as you can see on the display right now. As I scroll through the pictures, I use it to refer to everything that I draw. Since when I got it, I've been using it for that. And I use it to listen to music, watch movies, and I take notes at school with it. So it works great for what I do right now. And I want, like, guys, if you wanna get yourself one, you can do it. This is the picture that I wanted to do, or maybe this one, but I decided, what, let me just do a portrait painting of a house or maybe a regular building, because I couldn't find any pictures that would suit each picture that I have for a background, you know what I'm saying? So now let's get down into sketching. I hope that you like the sketch, and I hope that you like the intro and the unboxing of the tablet. Let's get down into it. So guys, starting with the pencil sketch, which is the first layer of the sketch or the outline of the painting, I used the 5H pencil from Stedler, which is on the hard side of leads on pencils, so it lasted for a very long time when I did the first layer. Matter of fact, it lasted from the beginning until the end of the first layer, so I liked it very much. And the other thing is that it has a light saturation, so it can be erased very quickly without leaving any marks of pencils behind. Since this paper is textured too, if I used a 4H or a 5H pencil, it could have turned out bad, because those are hard to erase. But this one lasted for a very long time and it was very erasable, and I liked it, I won't lie. So starting with the building, was very simple. I didn't even need to use a ruler. To draw this building. And if you are interested in the book that I'm using or that I'm drawing on, it is a 120 GSM sketchbook from Dala, and it handles watercolor very good. Okay, not very good, just fine. But I know that watercolor is used on 300 to 250 GSM sketchbook, so this one handles it fine, but I know that I can do better. So that's what I wanted to say for the first layer, guys. And if you wanna know the second layer, which is the outline with a black pen, I used a crystal gel pen from Big. It is a 0.5 or 0.3, I'm not sure about the size, but I'm pretty sure that it's between 0.5 and 0.3 nib size, and it glides along the paper very nicely too. And when I did that using the crystal gel pen, that's when I came across some problems, I would say. Obstacles along the way when I did the second layer. The thing is that the pen did glide along perfectly, but the thing that I should have used is a ruler when I did the last layer. For the first layer, without the usage of a ruler is perfect, but for the second layer I really needed to use a ruler. But even though I found out that I needed to use a ruler, I didn't even go out to reach for it. I don't know why, but I didn't. And then everything turned out perfectly. But if you take a close look at the sketch itself, it didn't look great, okay? So I hope that you like the sketch. I hope that you like everything about the sketch. I'm leaving you guys. I'm gonna talk again when I'm doing the painting. So love you, hope that you like the video and the music too. Like, comment and subscribe down below. If you have anything to say, just comment down below and I'll read your comments. I'll like your comment. Just make sure that you subscribe, so you help me with the algorithm and we can grow this YouTube channel. I love you, babies. Daddy's gone. Yeah, yo. So okay, now starting with the outlining with the black pen. This is what I spoke about when I said I needed to use a ruler. Okay, everything looked fine from far away, but once you start looking closely at the sketch pro, you can see the errors. Okay, like I had to go over again. As you can see, like my pen is moving like twice per section, so that I can refine every line and I can do everything very good, like try to perfect it. But you know, I'm a human, so I can't do no perfection. Plus everything, besides that, everything went perfectly. Okay, when you create the house turned out perfectly, but the thing is that the house is chopped up, you know, on the right, so I couldn't even get a very nice full picture of a house or full painting of a house. But I tried my best to copy the referral picture, so that's as far as I can get. So I'm hoping that you're gonna like this, guys. Right now I'm just gonna go to the painting section, so and I can do a voice over there, because here I'm done. I already covered it up when I did the voiceover for the first layer of the pencil, and I hope that you like that part. Now we are hopping to the painting part.
Get kick.
Now starting with all the highlighted part, you know, those parts with warm colors, I decided to, you know what, do the brown colors first, because they're the ones that are close to the warmest, which is orange. So I decided to do the brown, then I did the first layer of the brown. Then on the pillars of the house, I decided, you know what, let me darken these parts, as you can see I'm doing. And then I decided, you know what, let me hop in with a blue red there at the bottom of the wall, because it's the second, I would say the second highlighting color or the warmest color there besides the entire wall. So I decided to do that, but then I messed up when it comes to the entire wall. I did the wall too dark. Okay, I did the wall too dark, but besides that, everything else is correct. Okay, everything else is fine and I like it. I hope that you do too, because that's one mistake that I did. As you can see, it's a bit darker. You'll see the referral picture at the end of the video, as I did on the past few videos, and I hope that you like it. Talking about the past few videos, let me tell you something. I've been watching Peter Draw's videos, Piper's art, and the drawing with waffles. Those guys are gentle, okay, they are chilled, and I like those videos. I like their videos, you know, listening to someone talking and telling you stories about something that happened to them, like in the past, or talking about the paint or the stationery they are using. That's the best videos you can find for art. Those are very nice, I won't lie. And if we all follow them too, if we all are subscribed to them, you know what I'm talking about. Those guys are chill, and I've been trying to do that, because like I've been trying to adjust to this YouTube live, even though I've been doing it for the past 8-7 months. I haven't adjusted yet to my schedule yet, because I'm a senior student, so I got a lot of work. So I've been trying my best to be gentle as them, trying to do something that makes me happy as they make me happy while I watch their videos, and that didn't work out. So I said, you know what, let me put myself into this video. So expect me to be more happier, more louder, just like Marco, who designs shoes, who customizes shoes, clothing, PSs, just like Gox, you know Gox, right? The way Gox does videos, like I can't edit like him, but one thing I know is that I'm gonna be loud like him. Not that loud to a point where it's irritating, but loud to a point where I'm satisfied myself, not to irritate you guys, but to make sure that you guys hear me properly and I hear myself, guys. So I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. That's me, and I enjoy putting myself into my videos, and I know that if I do that, you're gonna like my videos too. So I hope that you like this video. Plus, speaking about living myself, I'm going to a school camp, so expecting me to put in more portrait pictures of people into more videos, upcoming videos. And this is the referral picture. I couldn't get that light effect into it. That was a little bit summary of school winter camp coming up next week. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say, and this is the referral picture that I did. I hope that you like the video, because I did. Like, comment and subscribe down below, babies. I love you. Let's go. Close enough. Even though I didn't get that glow effect, it's close enough.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation,